Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Today I have a special software that's called Synthesys. That's really a great AI power tool that helps you to create different languages, videos, and voiceover. And I'm gonna show you how they do it inside the software. Okay, so just a brief overview that the software is ending in about 2 days on Friday, the 26th at 6 a.m. So they're going to be leaving, as far as I know, they are leaving um, Appsumo and they are going to be going out on their own. And the prices they have out on their website is pretty expensive. So if you have a chance to grab this deal, that'd be great before it ends. So just let me just show you a little bit about what it does. So they have 300 different, let me see here, 300 different voices uh, in different languages, accent, and mood. And you have 60 plus human avatar. Human avatar is like these right here. Where is it? This is the avatar. Right here. You get to pick male, female, different, young, old, all that stuff. Look professional or just, casual. And you get, with the first tiers, you get to do 30. Uh, oh yeah, they have 73 now, Avatar instead of 60, like I said, mentioned. They have 66 languages and 254 general voices. You get to do 30 videos per month and you get 100 voiceover download per month. So if you're thinking about doing like automation, video automation, video, yeah, like YouTube automation, and you create a script and then you want to get some help with voiceover, with videos, then this is a great tool for you. So let me show you a little bit. So once you logged in, you're gonna go to the one that says create studio. Here, create your AI video. So basically they have two different tabs. One is to create AI voiceover, okay? And then the other one is to create your video. And then once you click here, it's gonna take you to this one here. You're gonna get to select, you want it formal, you want it full or in circle or voice only, and you want it in the middle, center, things like that. And then you get to pick the background. You want to do this background, you want to do this background, etc. Okay, and you get to use soundtrack. They have some basic soundtrack here. You want to put it in there, and then you're going to place your script. Okay, let me see if I can come up with something. I want YouTube channel where we talk about uh, how to be how to financial freedom sooner with tools, useful tool with useful tools and software and hard work. Okay, then I'm gonna press play. Oh, choose a voice. Okay, so I just picked something here. Let's see what it says. Okay, it takes some time to render that. Okay, there you go. So that's the first slide, and you can do multiple slide here. You can add new slide, and you can do different background, or you can add your own images here, right here, and then you can do here. You can do add a video, something like this, for example, and you can do that again, or something like that, and then let's talk about Elon Musk and how he achieved financial freedom, something like that. Okay, so you can basically come up with a script, and then you can have a slide, and then you can download all this video. Okay, there you go. See, let's play it again. And after you're done with all this slide, and you get to do you click on create video, and then it's going to create a video for you. Now I put a title. I've left the title right here. So it takes some time to get used to it financially. There you go. Okay. For now, we're just going to do 2 slides and see what it says. Okay. Okay, there. So these take 4 minutes to render right here. So I did some already, so I'm going to show you how it sounds. Some of these that I did before affiliate marketing. Okay, let's see. Download some of these. Okay, this is something else that I did before. Okay, so that's just a few seconds of to show how it looks like when it's rendered, when you're done with all the slides. You can see that they're doing, yeah, they're doing all the interaction. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was awesome. And you can be really creative with it. And then you can, yeah, listen to some different ones here that I have here. Groove funnel and all that stuff. So yeah, I did a couple here and there, so just to show you. So I hope that this video helps you. You can do unlimited videos per month if you think that you're serious about creating something on the web for like 8 minutes or something. The slide that I did probably like 30 seconds, but just be creative, and you can do unlimited voiceover, download. Just try it out and see, because they have a lot of different. I only tried the video because I thought it was pretty interesting, but you can do create your own voice, create voice and all that stuff in here, and then your voice clips and stuff. I haven't had a chance to do that, but yeah, that's something that you might want to check it out. And yeah, right now they have extended, what do you call it? Extended access for people who have Appsumo Plus, meaning that Appsumo has a membership that's like $99 per the whole year, and you get 10% off on all the deals that you purchase for that year, and also extended access. This software was expire a day ago, but you have 3 days after it is expired for the majority of the public, but you are in the Plus member, so it's extend another 3 days. So now it's only have 2 more days left. So don't forget to check this tiers out. At least check out the first tiers, because if you just need like a few videos per month, then this is perfect for you. And it's only $69, and you can just kind of play around with it and play and see how you can have a YouTube automations. And this is the newest tool I've ever seen that actually does all the voiceover for you and doing all the video and interacting. It's very energetic way. So I really enjoy it. So I hope that you like it. Another one, if you want to check it out, is called Updigital, but these are all only voiceover. They don't have any video just yet. So if you like to check this one out, this is more like a speech, like voice over content, and you type it in, and it's just gonna give you like a voiceover. Okay, so a lot of different files, but there's limitations in that they have a limit per run. And then there's also another one. Oops, sorry. Let me go back. That's on Appsumo that doesn't have a deadline yet, which is this is called another text to speech voiceover, but they don't have video. Okay, they only have a voiceover for video and blog posts. meaning that you only get to type it in and spit out a voice, how it speaks for your voiceover for your video, but you still have to create that video. Okay. So yeah, I hope that you have a chance to check it out and purchase it before the lifetime deals ends. Um, Let me know what you think and check out the links at the bottom. You can find all this stuff on Appsumo, and let me know how it goes that you've tried it out, okay? Because on these here, they do have limitations on the last two options I gave you, Play.ht, and the other one has limitations on how many words or how many storage it has and all this stuff. So here it is. There is the limit here. So words per month, and then see that these have limitation, which I don't really like as much as the first one I show you, which is Synthesys. You get unlimited deal for unlimited video and audio file for 179 or something, which is really awesome. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Uh, See you in the next video. Okay.